Hey y'all, and welcome back to Designs by Gaddis. While you're here, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. This will help my channel to grow, and hit the bell to be notified when I upload new videos. Thanks for watching. Today we will be making an essential oil beaded diffuser. I was inspired by an image I saw from Ivory Oak. They had a sage green one for $16. I created mine using items I already had, but I would guess I spent less than $5. The thread I used was from Hobby Lobby, and the beads I used are from Amazon. I also used a large plastic needle I got from Walmart. This just helps when threading the string to secure everything. To get started, I cut down a piece of foam board to 3.5 inches wide. This is the length I wanted my tassels to be. I wrapped the thread around the form about 100 times to create the tassel. I then threaded a piece of string at the top using the plastic needle and tied 2 double knots to hold everything together. I then removed the thread from the form and made sure everything was secure. Then taking more of the string, I wrapped it around the top of the tassel about 5 or 10 times and fed it through the tassel twice and tied a double knot. After everything was secure, I cut the threads at the bottom of the tassel in half and shaped everything up. I then strung 15 beads onto a piece of thread and cut the thread, leaving a good bit of extra length so I could tie another double knot to create a circle with the beads. I combined the 2 threads from the beads and strung 1 bead in the center. While holding the 2 threads already strung through the bead, I pulled the 2 strings of the tassel through the center bead. After getting everything pulled tight, I used my hot glue gun and added glue to the middle of the center bead to secure everything. This was pretty tricky to do. And this is what the essential oil beaded diffuser looks like when finished. This would make a great gift for anyone who likes the modern farmhouse or boho decor style. Next time I will use a thicker thread for the tassel, but I like this one also. If you haven't already, be sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more DIY home decor videos. And as always, thanks for watching.